So you've just graduated and you're out on your own for the first time, more or less. You've probably thought about rent and transportation, but have you thought about health insurance? Hi there, my name is Sarah and I'm here today with iHealthBrokers. Now we are licensed health insurance brokers and we're licensed nationwide, so if you have any questions whatsoever about your health insurance, please feel free to send us a message in the comments, and of course you can always call us at iHealthBrokers at 888-410-0344. There is absolutely no charge for our services. As always, please make sure to like this video. Liking this video will make it more visible to others, and we want to get this information out there. And of course, subscribe to stay up to date because we do release these videos on a weekly basis where we answer frequently asked questions and offer money-saving tips with regards to health insurance. And if you're so inclined, you can find us not only on our YouTube channel, but at Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at iHealthBrokers. Your first option for health insurance may be to stay on your parents' health insurance plan. Under the Affordable Care Act, employers are required to extend health insurance to dependents who are under the age of 26. Generally speaking, that coverage will extend to the December of the year that you turn 26, but sometimes it will actually end the month that you turn 26, and some employers may actually extend it beyond 26. So you're going to need to ask your parent to check with their HR department to confirm. Of course, you can also enroll in a marketplace insurance plan. You can enroll during the open enrollment or during a special enrollment period if you qualify. If your state uses healthcare.gov, then the open enrollment dates are the same every year. It's from November 1st to January 15th. However, some states actually have their individual marketplaces that they use, so the dates can vary slightly. But if you're not sure, just log on to healthcare.gov, and if your state does use an individual marketplace instead, healthcare.gov will redirect you. Outside of open enrollment, you may qualify for a special enrollment period. If you lose your health insurance coverage, or if you experience certain qualifying life events like moving or a change in household size, then you'll be eligible for a special enrollment period. If you're a young adult in the beginning stages of your career, it's likely that you'll qualify for a premium tax credit based on your income, and this can save you thousands of dollars per year. You can pick a health insurance plan based on your needs and your budget. You'll need to take into consideration premiums, deductibles, copays and coinsurance, networks, and benefits offered. And remember, there are many services that are covered even prior to meeting your deductible with a $0 copay. But there are even more variables to take into consideration. You'll need to decide between a PPO, an EPO, and an HMO. You'll need to weigh whether or not you want to go with a high deductible health plan, which is an HDHP, or you want to choose a plan that might have a lower deductible and higher premiums. And you may want to take into consideration the prevalence of HSAs, which are health savings accounts. It's a lot of information to digest, so if this is your first foray into marketplace insurance plans, definitely check out our marketplace insurance playlist at the end of this video. That way you can educate yourself a little bit further. And of course, you do have an additional option. If you need further help, you can contact a broker. A broker works for you, not the insurance carrier, which is the insurance company, and they act basically as a third-party liaison who serves in your best interests. Many brokers actually don't charge an additional fee for their services, and you're not going to pay more on your monthly premiums by working with a broker. Another great option for young adults are short-term medical plans. Now, these are a type of private insurance, so you will be subject to medical underwriting. And if you have any type of pre-existing conditions, then they may not be covered in the first year of a multi-year short-term medical plan or possibly at all. However, short-term medical plans are extremely cost-friendly. A young, healthy person could expect to pay possibly less than $100 per month for their plan. And they offer nationwide PPO coverage, which is pretty darn hard to find on the marketplace. This offers you the most flexibility possible. You can see doctors that are in-network and out-of-network, and you won't need referrals to see a specialist. Also, because these plans are private insurance, you can really tailor them to meet your needs. So they're really sort of a custom solution that can be offered at a lower price point. And they will protect you should you incur some type of major medical debt if you have major medical bills that are unexpected. Now, short-term medical plans are not ideal for everyone, and they're not available in all states. So again, make sure to check out our video about short-term medical plans. If you're working full-time for an employer that has at least 50 full-time employees, they're required to offer you health insurance. This is employer-sponsored group health insurance, and even if this is the case, there are still decisions that you need to make. For example, you may want to decide between a PPO and an HMO, And if your employer offers HSAs, which are health savings accounts, you may want to look into that as well. Whatever option you choose, please do not go without any type of health insurance. Even if it's something as limited as a catastrophic coverage plan, you want to have some type of protection should you have a major medical emergency. That way you're preventing yourself from incurring major medical debt. If you have any questions about your health insurance, as always, please feel free to send us a message in the comments, and you can give us a call at iHealthBrokers at 888-410-0344. There is absolutely no charge for our services, and we are more than happy to help. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.